getting fuel. We've got one of these funny pay station places. Lots of signs. Sign City. That way. It's open. What's that hill called?
That, my dear, is called Mount Barlowiri.
And we're in Aboriginal land now.
Yeah, we're on the PA Aboriginal Reserve.
It's about 4 o'clock now when we're just looking for somewhere to camp for the night, out of the wind. Found this track, so following it, see where we end up. Can you go in bush?
Yeah, well, it's the only way to get down there.
Doing engine checks.
Yep, just like on a boat.
It's amazing what you find in the middle of the road in the Outback. I wonder where he's come from.
What if you want to say hello?
He's used to cars.
Hello, matey. Hello. You a biter? No, you're a good horse. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Very cool.
See you later. Have a good day.
That's crazy. Here's another one.
Come on.
He's quite tame.
Come here. She.
Sorry.
Good horse. Hey, look at the colour of her from all the red dirt. She's a white horse. Alright, see you later on.
So where are we? Nika Station. Nika Station. It's a shearing shed. Kangaroos up ahead. They're not moving. Oh, what? He's not moving. They didn't move, did they? Going to check out an old mine. Found another little road in.
Windy old road.
Very windy road. There's quartz here, so that means there's gold around.
The road's disappeared.
Lost the road.
Signs of human habitation there.
Oh yeah, there's a little fire.
Ring. This is the track.
Still trying to find this track.
I think this is it.
We're definitely on the road now.
Yeah, it's a well-defined road.
Now it's gone bright green. It's starting to get wilder and wilder. We think we've come across the rabbit-proof fence. Well, we found them, found all the mines. Been poking around.
This track just...
It's full of water, that one.
Yeah, I see. It's got a rock bottom, so we're fine.
I just found these, what is it? Aboriginal rock paintings up here, apparently.
Yeah, rock art.
Gonna go and check it out.
It's Walgana rock.
Yeah.
So we're going to go and have a look.
Thank you. There's a lot of art on this rock. It's really well preserved too.
See how much is up here then.
Oh, it's really loud.
What an echo. It's like an amphitheatre in here.
There's lots up there.
Yeah.
We're now at the old town site of Big Bell. I think Magnus is going to throw Mabby up in the air. This is what it used to look like when it was prosperous, and now it's all just gone. There he goes. Anticipation. Is it broken? Oh, good.
You've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
We just found this place when space and Earth collided. Beautiful rock formation. Barlangi Hill may seem unassuming enough, but this rock formation is in fact the result of a meteorite or comet smashing into the Earth about 1,000 million years ago. The meteorite came careering down to Earth at great speed before exploding onto the Earth and reshaping the landscape. While the meteorite crater no longer exists, Barlangi Hill before you is a remnant of rocks that were melted by the incredible energy of the impact. With time, this molten material froze, resulting in the rock that forms the hill. While no one knows the exact diameter of the original crater, it would have been no less than 10 kilometers across. All around Barlangi Hill, you can also see structures called shatter cones. These form because of very high shock pressures caused by the incredible intensity of the impact. Shock pressures can reach up to 30 to 60 gigapascals. That's 30 to 60 billion atmospheres. Interesting place. Magnus got me this yesterday. Fool's gold.
All right. Quick catch up on our trip. We have been going, what, 5-6 days?
Yeah, ish.
Yeah, ish. And we drove up from Perth to the westernmost point of mainland Australia, which you saw.
Here's our little camp. We got a little bit blown away last night. The awning just about collapsed. The swag got full of sand and rain. So it's a bit of a disaster area this morning. What are you showing me?
How much sand I had to sleep in last night.
And he had the water side too.
And had the wet side. It was raining and
Anyway, it's all good now. We're going to find somewhere dry and not so
Have some
windy
breakfast.
and go and cook some brekkie. Because it's Sunday. And you know what Sunday is. Full cooked breakfast.
Yeah. And since then, we've been 3 days, I think, 4 days. This is our 4th day since we left Steep Point. And today we should get to the beginning of the Gun Barrel Highway, which is just east of the town of Walloona. And that's where the exciting part of the trip starts, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's where the road's fairly rough and the scenery is incredible. And yeah. So we passed exactly 0 cars today, and I think 1 car yesterday. So it's been pretty busy. There's just no one out here. It's pretty remote where we are right now. So that's a quick catch up on where we've been. We are about, I don't know, a 1/6 of the way through distance wise.
Yeah.
Sweet. Eyes on the road, or the track. Yeah, so that is the catch up for the first part of the trip. See you later.
Bye.
Should we just hear something?
Trying to find a mine. Disused and abandoned.
Little Greta mine.
Little Greta.
Should be right here somewhere.
We found quartz.
Where there's quartz, there's gold.
So we might be getting close. We found the mine. Here it is. Little Greta. Down there somewhere. Long way down. What's going on?
Just gonna put the drone up. See if I can get some nice footage around here.
Remember last time it scooted off the front of the car? There we go, successful landing, successful mission. We just stopped here to have our lunch and to give Mavi a fly. What is this place? It's an old
Outstation.
little outstation.
It's where they used to, when they were mustering, they'd leave the main homestead and come and live out here for a month or so.
It's got one of those dome roofs as well. And this is the water hole. And it's perfectly good to swim in. It's a bit murky, but there are no crocs. At least I don't think there are any crocs. Middle of nowhere.
Ready to go then?
Sending Mavi up because we've just spotted an emu over there and we're going to see if we can catch him on film.
It's spooky because you can't see.